always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
So guys, breakfast is ready. This is wrap and some fruits.
Fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
Taking over.
So fam, lunch is ready. This is what we are going to be having. Some potatoes and some fish. Yeah. Bon appetit. The kids are having lunch. It's 2 p.m. now because they ate breakfast late, so they are having late lunch. So far, it's time for snacks. So I just finished making this beautiful meat pie. Take a look at that. So Harmony is going to be having this one and some apple sauce. I think that's what they call it in English. In French we call it compote. She's going to be having this for our snacks. Meanwhile, Nathan is going to be having the same thing, but Nathan is sleeping now. Yeah, he's sleeping at the moment.
Now let this moment shimmy out, shimmy. Tropical vibes are taking over.